Is your Google account being compromised and you keep receiving messages from unsolicited source and you're wondering when you signed up for such messages? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can identify if your Google account has been compromised or being hacked and the necessary steps you can take to recover such Google account. To get started, open your browser and open such email that you think it is being compromised. Let's take for instance this particular email. You just click on this manage your Google account. Once you click on it, you will come up to this particular interface. The next thing you're going to do is that you're going to click on this security and sign in. Here you are going to see all the recent activities that is going on or that has gone through your Google account. If you identify anyone that is not from you, you just need to take a quick step to prevent such. Probably there was a sign-in from an unknown source and you are not the one. You can just click on such particular sign-in and Google will even help you to sign out from such source. Okay, so here you see the recent activities that went through your Google account. In this very place where you have how you sign into Google, here you see two-step verification. If you have not turned on the two-step verification in your Google account, you may be missing a whole lot. So I suggest to you and I advise that you turn on the two-step verification, because what this does is that anytime that one or you try to sign into your Google account from an unknown device, it will first of all try to be sure that you are the one by sending you a message to your phone number. And if it gets to your phone number, you can just say, yes, you are the one that has or that authorized such signing. And if you just authorize it, it will go straight. So, but if it is another person that actually did that, there's no way the person will get that particular message. And you are the only one that can authorize it. Okay, so you make sure you turn on this two-step verification. It is very important. And you can also set the passkey and security key, all of those things. You can see when last you changed your password. If the password was changed recently and you are not the person that changed it, you do well to quickly change that password. And in changing your password, make sure you have a combination of letters and numbers, capital letters and lower letters, and also make sure you include symbols. And whatever you are using as your password should not be such that can easily be guessed by the next person. Okay, you don't have to use your phone number or the name of your children or anything that people can easily guess about you as your password. Because most of the times what these people do is that they try to guess something about you, and the moment they can guess it right, that's how they can gain access to your Google account. So you just check if the recent password change is from you. If it is not from you, quickly take the necessary step to change such password. Another thing is that you make sure you add a recovery phone number and also a recovery email address. That's a way to also secure your account. Another thing you need to do is that you can have a Google Authenticator that you can always use to approve any signing to your account. So with this, you can actually know if you've gone through all of this and you see any device or signing that was not done by you, you can quickly turn it off and you secure your account. Also here where we have third-party connection, if you click on it and you notice any third-party connection that is not from you, all you just need to do quickly is to remove it. The moment you click on that third-party apps, you can just look at the apps you have from there. If it is not from you, you quickly take the necessary steps by signing out from such third-party app, and that's the way you are securing your account. So with this, you can actually know if your Google account has been compromised, and these necessary steps, if you take them, you will actually secure such Google account. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and do well to turn on the notification bell so that be the first to get notified when I upload new video in this particular channel. Thank you for watching.